Po, the joint venture is basically per project basis. So we enter into different agreements po depending on the project that we'll do. So kagaya po ng out of order, that's a separate contract, and kumbaga sa yung conscious po is the separate agreements dun para hindi po labo-labo, para mas organized lang namin siya na-execute.
What was the first film na in-offer sa'yo that turned out to be a partnership na ganito?
Well, basically yung out of order talaga, MJ. Parang sabi ni Boss Vic, gawa tayong pelikula. Pero bigyan kita ng chance na maging partner. Yun, so ganun. So nagulat ako, sabi ko, sige boss, parang that's a great opportunity. And then, yun, parang sige. Ikaw gumawa ng story, ikaw gumawa ng production, ikaw mag-direct. So parang with all those, parang ganun ka-confident si Boss Vic sa akin. Kaya parang hearing those words, hindi ko po pinalagpas at hindi ko talaga pinag-aksayahan ko talaga siya ng panahon para makadeliver ako. Kasi ganun po ako, pag nabigyan ng opportunity, if it's a first, you have to make a mark para may susunod.
What was the feeling like venturing out of course, the Kapuso ecosystem? Diba na iba-iba ngayon yung nakakausap mo? Ito si Heaven Pereleo, nakatrabaho mo rito.
It's very liberating, MJ. Sobrang grateful ako sa GMA na when this came about, parang sabi, go Alden, support ka namin dyan. Even Sparkle, yan sila Miss Annette, and si Miss Joy. Actually Miss Annette will be part of the Out of Order film. Dinirect ko siya doon. And meron siyang cameo, but
pero hindi GMA Pictures.
No, hindi siya GMA Pictures. So,
talent credit.
Yes, as in cast. No, not talent credit. Cast.
As abogado.
As herself.
Not as herself. Kasi kung nakikita natin, yun, binigay ko na. Actually, surprise yun. But just to excite you guys, yung roles kasi ni Miss Annette, of course, nakikita natin siya nagka-cameo sa mga films, di ba?
Yes.
But with this project, since she's a lawyer, I gave her a specific role that will make a mark in the film. And her role is very vital. Kasi courtroom drama to. So you read between the lines. Alam nyo na yun.
Out of
yan.
Judge Judy.
Yan. So yun. I mean, I'm very excited because that's also a first for me to be able to direct my boss. And sobrang happy ako on how Miss Annette participated in that project. It's an honor.
And yun nga, no, parang what does this show yung ibang mga artista? Because before you would think talent, di ba? Artista sila. But now, you're venturing, pinapakita mo na there's life beyond being on screen.
Yes. Yun lang din po. I hope this serves as an inspiration. Baka kasi sabihin kasi nung ibang yabang ko pag sinabi kong gayahin nyo ako or whatsoever. But I hope, gusto ko talagang matulungan, especially yung mga kasamahan ko sa industriya. And of course, we all know na may mga artista rin na medyo hindi maganda yung kinakapuntahan just because of mismanagement or hindi na ayos ng mabuti yung finances while being here in this business. So, andun din po ako Gusto ko silang tulungan, especially the new ones. Gusto kong, like sa GMA, sa Sparkle po, I already conducted a free financial literacy workshop for 1 day. So, hindi po ako nagpabayad. It was my initiative. I talked to my bosses po sa Sparkle. Sabi ko, can I do this for them? Kasi this is, all of it comes from experience. Wala akong technical jargons, hindi ako nanggaling sa libro, whatsoever. I'm just telling my story on how I was able to manage my finances. So with things like that po, kahit paano, nai-impart ko yung wisdom na natutunan ko dito sa industriya. And it's also a way to help them see na the possibilities in our world, in our industry, is limitless. With just the right attitude and intention.
Sino pa gusto mo makakulab ng mga maging under your wing na actress? Kasi si Miss Annette, sinabi mo na. Meron ka na, hindi ko actually alam kung pwede na sabihin yung sa Thai, ay hindi ba?
Parang
hindi pa.
Cut na lang po natin yun, parang hindi pa po pwede.
And then, may nagpost. Hindi
kami nagpost.
But then Heaven is there already.
Yes.
You have a Hollywood project coming up. Sino pa gusto mo?
Well, actually, so far, I've never worked with Ann Curtis yet. And I would love to work with her in a project, may it be a movie or a series. Kasi alam naman natin before when I was starting, na naging crush ko po si Miss Ann Curtis for the longest time. So, nagkikita-kita kami, nagkakaroon na kami ng chance to bond together, but actually work together, not yet. So I'm looking forward for that.
Sino mo naman gusto mo ipag-produce ng concerts?
Naku! Miss Anna, napakarami. Pero, yun, syempre, sa ngayon, since I'm really a fan of supporting local and supporting the industry and lifting up the spirit of the Philippine showbiz industry, mas more on local talents po. Syempre, nandyan ang Bini, ang SB19, sila Boss TJ Monterde natin, KZ Tandingan, Dionela. I mean, all of these local talents deserve highlights. So, syempre, bago tayo lumabas, dito muna tayo sa sariling atin kasi marami tayong talentong natatago at marami tayong talento na worth ng global recognition.
And then, pakwento naman pala ng preparation para doon sa bench.
Sus,
Parang anong
Mario,
klaseng
sir.
diet tsaka
Wow!
workout
Okay,
na ginawa
so
mo?
I only had 1 month to prepare because yun nga po, I came from medyo hindi maganda yung naging holidays ko because of my grandfather's passing. So medyo naglaylo tayo, spend time with family. But 1 month before the bench fashion show, sinimulan ko ulit yung pagtakbo. Nag-workout ako halos every day kahit madaling araw kapag busy sa schedule. Then kaakibat ang tulong ng aking pinsan, which is siya yung naging nutritionist ko for this. I had to nag-calorie deficit ako na nagbo 1,200 calories lang ako a day kasi medyo malaki yung hahabulin ko coming from an 8-month life na walang workout at walang dieta. So medyo kaya medyo may mga chubby ano pa dito sa nung nagganon tayo nun, pero worth it naman. Enjoy. I mean, more than the preparation and more than the physique that I was able to bring during the bench fashion show, the experience is what I'm after. That's why ganun, I was watching myself, sabi ko, nag-enjoy si Loko-Loko.
Sino nag-ano sa'yo sa running? O yun?
Oo nga.
Yung mga gym friends ko po actually. And yan, nakakasama ko dyan, syempre si Barbie, Christopher, Kim Chu, sila Paulo. So, minsan tumatakbo kami sa Ayala kasi every time si Ayala Triangle is being closed from 6 to 10 a.m. Then nakakatuwa din na dahil sobrang mahal ko na yung running, even I throw fun runs sa area namin, sa bahay namin sa Laguna. And parang ang sarap lang kasi yung common yung interest nyo sa pagtakbo, and then yun na rin yung bonding nyo na parang kesa I don't have anything against the people who go out to party or kung ano man yung means nila to bond with their friends. Pero ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na nakakapag-bonding ka with your friends with common interest, tapos healthy kayo, tapos you spread positivity through that sa mga na-encourage nyo pa yung mga tao to be healthy as well.
Pero may bar ka, di ba?
Meron. Meron nga pala. Yeah, but of course po, syempre, Stardust 50 Jupiter, kita tayo.
For events naman daw yun.
For events naman. For socials. Socials.
May plan ka ba mag-level up like biking na, tapos
Triathlon.
triathlon na, gano'n na lang.
Andun na ako ngayon actually. Yes.
Nabudol na.
Medyo pabudol na kasi nagsistart tayo sa running. Pero syempre, prior to that, ito po kasi yung plan. Sige, share ko na yung schedule ko sa tayo. So on May 11, of course, since we have 3K, 5K, 10K, and 16K, for Mall Fun Run, I will run 16K.
Wow.
And try to get a time of 125, a sub 125 time for the 16K. Kasi tinanong ko yung coach ko si Marlene Capone, sabi ko, boss, ano yung pogi pace dyan? Ano yung pogi finish time dyan? Sabi, ganyan. 125. Okay. Tapos yun, tapos by December, hopefully if things turn out well, yun nga, medyo I would like to celebrate my 15th anniversary through a half marathon. So definitely I will run 21K for that. And then next year, March 2026, I'm planning to have my first marathon in Tokyo.
Yun nga.
So I will run the Tokyo Marathon next year.
Kung nag-aaral ka naman ng pilot, bibili ka na ng sarili mong aeroplano.
Sana naman, nag-check na po ako yung second hand. Kulang pa po yung laman ng Lord. Hindi po. Magkano, parang rent lang po siguro muna. Yeah, recreational lang. And yun nga, pag
si Alden.
yun nga po, pag
Meeting pa pala.
pag naka-graduate tayo, at least another tuwan-tuwa na naman yung tatay ko niyan kasi I was able to live out his dream for him. And yun yung objective ko. Happy ako pag napufulfill ko yung pangarap ng mga mahal ko sa buhay, especially my family.
Okay.